Hi, I'm Christoph. Today I'm going to show you the Lampert FUSION centrifuge. The machine is quite easy to set up. First of all, before the first operation, please allow the machine to get room temperature. After that, you connect the power supply on the back side, and with the button on the back side you switch it on. Then connect the gas supply. Please note not to use any tools to tighten the connection, only use your hand. When the machine is switched on by pushing the button on the front, the motor is running, and now we can set the correct gas flow to the recommended 2 liters per minute. After that, the motor can be stopped again. Prepare the casting spoon and the melting pot. You can use the holder of the machine to rest the casting spoon on the machine. In this way, if you're right-handed and you put the holder in the other direction in case you're left-handed. Now the machine is set up and ready for casting.